Hey everyone, we are still at the Tropicana and I am still trying to chase this major. It is still maxed out at $1,000 on Happy Lanterns. So we are going to play my free play and I am going to put in, let's see here, $30. We're going to start with nickels and see how that works. And then we could possibly go down to pennies. These are the progressives on nickels. And we're going to bet $1.25, 25 nickels. So come on, let's land that major. We need it. Almost a first spin bonus. That never happens to me. Usually happens to my husband, not to me. All right. Come on, fuzzy faces. There we go. Ooh, we got 4 of them, guys. On nickels. Woo-hoo. Pays 375 nickels. And then we got jacks lined up too. So 385 nickels. And if y'all know me, I'm picking the white dancing lion. Come on, hold and spin. Ugh. Well, at least we got 100 wilds. So let's see what we can do. We got turtles. Ooh, come on. That's good. So he's wild, obviously. And in the bonus, he goes all the way down and fills the whole rows. 3 of these would be a re-trigger. You cannot get the hold and spin in the bonus on this game. But we've got fireworks and a coin show, so that's always really good. Let's fast forward. 38.50, I'll take it. Come on, wilds. Got some 9s. Oh, the wilds just went by. Wild, wild, wild. Oh, we got it. So we've got 5 cats. Another coin show, fireworks. Whoop, whoop. Drinking Long Island's. Cheers. Let me take a sip while it's counting. Okay, guys, that was 86.50. Whoop, whoop. So we won 30.15. So now we have $176. We're going to keep playing here. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're going to play until, thank you, we don't have a hit. And I'm going to change that to pennies and play pennies for a minute. Some reason why that always works for me. Come on. So again, Happy Lanterns, we need 6 of those to get the hold and spin. And 3 or more of the fuzzy faces. Come on. So we got 3 turtles, 3 cats, and hopefully the music isn't too loud because YouTube will copyright it. We need 3 of those fuzzy faces to get the bonus again. Come on. Or 6 of those lanterns. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. All right, come on. Come on, bonus. Oh, why am I betting $1? I just noticed that. If I got a bonus, that would have been nice. Oh, of course. As soon as I go down to 50 cents. Come on, fuzzy faces. And $1 usually isn't much for me at all to bet, but that's not how I play this game. And I should show you guys, progressives go down when you play pennies. So minis goes down to $10, minor goes to $50, which was $2.50. Major stays the same in 1,000, and the grand stays the same as well. All right, guys, I stopped it on that one. Can we get the hold and spin? And the answer is yes, we can. Let's get the major. I know it's only a 50-cent bet, but we can do it. I've done it. Come on. Or we can just fill the screen. Either or. I'd be fine with either one. Oh, that's nice. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. 3 more, guys. One more spin to save it. Nope. Let's see what we got. $19. Oh, $50 lantern. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to change it back to nickels. $1.25 bet. Three fuzzy faces? Nope. Come on. Okay, let's change it back to pennies. There we go. Those would be nice nickels, but don't necessarily come up. Okay, let's get started. Come on, Major. This Major has been sitting here a while. Come on. Okay, we gotta save it here. Nope. I usually can tell before it lands. Let's see what we got. $9.50. Ugh. Okay. Let's play pennies till we lose one. There we go. And let's change it back to nickels. We got cats. 68 nickels. Come on. 2 more. Ugh. Teasing out. Oops. That was my bad. Close. We got turtles and kings here. 245 nickels. We got some cats. 100 nickels, so $5. Sorry, I'd take a sip of my drink. All right, come up. I think it's time for 6 lanterns. Oh, there's 3. Or 3 fuzzy faces. Either or. One more. Ugh. Tease. Okay, last one on nickels. Alright, guys, come on. Hold and spin. Major, $1,000, please. Okay, always choose the white one. Come on. Hold and spin. Here we go, guys. Ah, small ones. Come on. We need that major to land. Keep in mind, these are nickels. Come on, save it. There we go. Come on, we need a big one. Come on. Okay, guys, last spin. I'm taking a sip. Cheers. We need to save it here. Need a big one to land. Ugh. Okay, only $20. $42 nickels with the cats. Okay, come on. Okay, one more nickel spin. All right, we're going to pennies, guys. One more. One more. He likes to tease. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, that's 35 cents. Come on, Major. That's what we're chasing here. Two more. Ugh. Three more. Three more. I seem to never get it when I get them in the first column. Am I the only one? Oh, that minor would have been nice. Okay, I'm going to play this down to 150 and call it quits for the day. Because this isn't too shabby off free play. Come on. One more bonus to land the major. That would be fantastic. Come on. Oh, fuzzy face got in the way. $2.20 on that one. Got lots of turtles there. Come on, fuzzy face. Come on. One more bonus, please. Okay, that gave us a couple more spins. 3 more. Oh, so close. One more. It's just teasing. All right, 2 more spins, guys. Last spin. Okay, thanks so much for joining. I appreciate it. Off $30 free play, we got $150, so not too shabby. Again, at the Tropicana, still chasing this major. I'm hoping for it. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe and follow. Enjoy. Lots more to come. Thanks. Bye.